Hello everyone and welcome back to my workshop. I'm Diane Deziel and today we're finishing the pant modification for the Dartless one. We're going to do the skinny jeans. Now before to start the modification of the leg, what I suggest is that you take your favorite pant which you like the fit at the knee and at the bottom, and you just take the measurement on the pant, directly on the pant. If you prefer to take it right from your body measurement, you're going to look at this picture that I took for you, telling you exactly where to take the measurement. Now I'll show you a second pant from the market. This one, the leg is even skinnier. The reason is that the fabric is stretchy. Maybe you could even see that there's a shape at the knee level, exactly because there is no ease. So here the leg might be exactly the leg measurement. And if you look closely at the shape of the leg, you could see that from the knee down until pretty much the end of your calf, you have one angled direction, and then it goes much smaller towards the bottom. For this pant, they did the bottom of the pant so small, using almost my ankle measurement, that I have a pretty hard time to put them in and especially to take them off. So if, like me, you don't like that kind of fit, think about putting at least a little bit extra so it's more comfortable. It doesn't stretch at the knee and you don't have that much of a hard time to put them on or to take them off. To do the leg modification, you're going to start by measuring your knee level on both back and front pant. And you're going to add these measurements to have the circumference or all around the knee level. On yourself, you're going to measure around your knee at the strongest area for sure. And like you could see in the next picture, I usually measure when my leg is a little bit bent. So it gives me already a bigger measurement. Then you're going to do the same thing for the bottom of the pant or the ankle. So you're going to measure the back and the front, add the two measurements together to have the total all around, and then measure on yourself your ankle all around. Or if you don't want complication to put on or to take off your pants, I suggest you measure like this second picture. And just in case you want to do a very fitted leg, you could also measure your calf. And on your pant, your calf should be measured more or less 9 centimeters down from the knee. And the area of the calf, or the strongest area, would be another 5 centimeters down. Take the measurement, so if you need it, you already have it, and you could also measure it the same way on your body. Now that we have all the measurement that we need at the knee, at the calf, and at the ankle, we did measure the block that we have. We measure or the leg of the favorite pant that you have, or you took the measurement on yourself. And now what we're going to do with these measurements, we're going to write them down. So this is my block measurement all around, front plus back. I have 52.2 centimeters. I measured the knee on myself when my leg was bent. I got 37, and to that 37, since I like it comfortable, I had a 4 centimeter ease. I would add a minimum of 2 centimeters to the measurement of your knee. Then you take your block measurement minus your knee measurement, and you get a difference. That difference is going to be distributed evenly on back and front. So I divided by 2, but it's also going to be divided evenly, half and half on each side. So I divide this measurement again in 2 to get 2.8. This 2.8 is in fact 1/4 of the difference that I got from the block to the measurement that I want. So now the next step is going to be to place this 2.8 centimeter at the knee level on each leg, on each side. Now for the next step, I'll do exactly the same calculation but with the ankle measurement. What I found on my block is 41.2, adding the back and the front measurement. And on me, I measured 22 centimeter. And since you know I don't like it tight, this 22 centimeter is the actual ankle measurement. I had an extra 8 centimeter to be able to take it off easily. I would say here to add a minimum of 5 or 6 centimeter. You're going to take your block measurement minus your body measurement or your favorite pant measurement. And here I find exactly the same difference, but it always depends on what you like. It doesn't have to be. So I divided in 2 and again in 2. So I got the same difference here, 2.8 centimeter. And I'm going to measure it on both sides of the leg, on both back and front. Then we're going to be able to trace the line for the bottom of the pant from the knee level to the ankle level, and we're going to do it 4 times. Now before finishing the pant by tracing the top part, we're going to verify the calf measurement that we found. So I didn't measure my calf, I found 35 centimeter. So I'm just going to compare it with what I have now on my new pant. So you could measure your front and your back or just do like this. You place your ruler starting at the new line and you measure all the way to the new line on the other side. And instead of adding 2 measurements, just move your ruler on the back with this new point and you're gonna get right away your total. Here I have 39 centimeter. I needed 35, so I already have an excess of 4 centimeter, which is fine for me. But let's say you did a very skinny pant, you might be missing a little bit. If, for example, you're missing 2 centimeter, that 2 centimeter you would distribute it on both sides of each leg. So 2 centimeter divided by 4, and you would add 5 millimeter on each side of each leg. Now in that case, you would have to modify those lines, the 4 lines, the same way. So after putting the measurement, 1/4 of the measurement that you need on each line, you would retrace from the knee level, passing by this point until the bottom of the calf. Then from that point, you would trace down to your point that you found. Now we're going to complete the top part of the pant. I suggest you use your block, your starting block, and we're going to trace from the knee level all the way to the crotch level for the side seam. Now for the inseam part, you're also going to use your block, and I suggest you trace in a few steps. First, I place it exactly on my new trace line, and you're going to trace just a little bit. Then hold it there, pivot a little your block towards the final destination, trace some more, hold it, pivot, trace some more, hold it, and finish your line. Now we're going to complete the back part. Using the block again, you're going to trace from the knee to the crotch level on the side seam. Then for the inseam, we'll do the same thing that we did in the front. Place your block on the new line, trace just for a little while, pivot your block, hold it, pivot again, and trace the last part. That's it, we complete the new block for a sport look pant with a skinny leg. And I know already that you're going to want to eliminate that last dart on the back. And I will show you how to do it keeping a good fit in my next video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and I see you next time.